While you're seeing me unbraiding my hair, I want to go natural for some days. I have stayed with these braids for long, and I want now to have protective protective hair. I think that's what they are called. I need to have matutas. I think most of you here in Kenya call them. I just braid my natural hair. Uh, this is the height of my hair. Not that long, but it's somewhere. So that's why I'm removing the braids. I just need to plait my natural hair. Yeah. Hello guys. Welcome to Ellen Adventures. So I've decided to go natural, and I am unbraiding my hair, and I want to go natural. I want to to go with this natural hair for some time, and let me see how it's going to take me, because I've been with these braids for so long. I think 3 months. I've been taking off, getting them back, taking them off, having them back for 3 months, consecutive months. So I've decided to go natural, at least for my head to relax a little bit, or for my hair to at least breathe for some times. So I've also heard that these are protective styles. I have no idea, because there's some that I love having these. I love having the matutas, but most of the time, after taking them off, I usually my hair are usually entangled, especially at the end here, after taking them off. So I don't know why people say that they are protective, especially the twist, especially this twist. So I have no idea, but I love them, because when you have your natural hair, you can go swimming, you can do whatever thing with your hair. Or let me say, if you are red on, you have no problem. Let me say, if you want to go swimming, there's no problem. But if you have braids, when there's rain, you'll be scrambling to get to a shade, because, or maybe to shade your to get to somewhere that will cover your head, because you don't want to be rained on. Also, if you're going swimming, you will have to, or you'll be forced to look for something to cover your head. But if you have the natural hair, you can do whatever thing, or you not be worried. I mean, you won't be worried if you are rained on. If you're going swimming, you won't be worried, because it can dry anytime, and I think it's better going natural. And the only problem is that most of the time we think that we look like students if we go natural most of the time. So, but right now I've just decided that I'm going to go natural for some times. If it goes well with me, I can have them for 3 months. If it won't be well with me, then I'll just have them for maybe a month. So I'm preparing you. You'll be seeing me with this for some time. Don't expect me to have something. Or if you see me for with them for some times, please don't ask a lot of questions. Just understand, because I'm the one who have decided to take off my braids, then to have at least my natural hair for some times. At least I should leave my hair to breathe. And also, I want to try one product, which is hair growth. I've been applying for some time, but I haven't been consistent. I might apply today, then I stay for like a month, or after 2 weeks is when I apply them. But right now I just want to be I want to try to be consistent in applying it, and I'm going to monitor how my hair is going to grow, or if it's going to stay constant. Or and even as you can see, my hair is not that bulk, like they're scattered. But uh, I'm told that the hair growth product that I have, or that I'm going to try to apply to my hair, also help your hair to I mean to fill your head, not to be scattered the way mine is. Mine, like, it's so much scattered. So as you can see, so I'm going to at least to apply it. Although even if it doesn't uh, bring back the hair, or to make the hair to be a lot more, I believe that it's going to help my hair to grow longer. Maybe to a period of 3 months, it can grow some length, and I'll give you the feedback. Right now, I can't give you any feedback, or I even can't show you what product it is before I try myself. Most of the time, I usually like trying anything before I share it to someone else. Like for example, I had acne, and there was a product that somebody shared with me. So I decided to try it first before I share it with someone else, or before I recommend it to someone else. And right now I can comfortably recommend that product. I think there's a video that I created telling you about the product. It's called LDC. It's a New Life product. I think it's just a soap, but it helped me a lot to clear my acne. So you can see I have no acne right now. My face, I don't know how I can explain, but I had very terrible acne, and after using that soap, my face had or went back to normal. Let me say. So that's why I'm going also to try this hair growth for some times before I come and recommend to you. Or if you see that I don't recommend to you the hair growth product, just know that it didn't work. Or maybe if I forget, I think you'll see the progress of my hair, how long it grows, or if it doesn't grow. Just know that the hair product that I'm going to try hasn't worked. But if it works, I believe I won't forget about it. I'll come back and share with you the hair product that I'm going to experiment. That's why I've decided to take off or to unbraid my hair, and decide to just plait my natural hair. Yeah. So I think that it will be the best for experimentation, and I'll be, if it helps, or if the product helps my hair to grow back to normal, or to grow longer. The first thing you'll see, because I'll be posting my videos. Then the second thing, I'll come and recommend the product. So you can go also, if you want to make your hair to grow longer, you can also go and look for it. But before I do that, I'm going to try it myself first before I come and recommend to you. I don't like recommending anything before I try it, or before I experiment it myself, because I don't want to recommend anything that is going to damage your hair, or is going to damage what you dearly love. Well, before also, I don't like experimenting something that I don't trust. This one I trust a little bit, because the company that made the soap that I used, that helped me to clear my acne, is the same company that is making the hair growth product. That's why I'm believing that the product is going to work. The hair growth product is going to work. Yeah, that's why I believe it. Uh, but before I recommend it, um first of all, I'm going to try it first to my hair to see if it's going to help my hair to grow. Although it has grown a little bit, my hair is not that short. It's somewhere. It's somewhere. Yeah. But I believe after 3 months or so, it's going to get longer. If it's a hair growth product, it's going to get longer. Or as you can also see, my hairline has gone back, so I'm also going to try and to bring it back. I think this is where my hairline should be. Here. I think this is where my hairline should be. Let me see. Also here. I think my hairline should start from here. Yes. Also here, as you can see, I think my hairline should start from also here. I think it should be this. Right. So I'm going to try to apply it. Yeah. And if it, well, I'm going to try it with my hairline. As you can see, my hairline has gotten back. So if my hairline will go back to normal, or let me say it will be visible after using it for some times, then I will definitely come back and recommend that hair growth product. So you'll also be seeing my video. So when you just see that my hairline has gotten back to normal, ask me about that. If I forget about it, just ask me about the hair growth product that I use that has helped me to get my hairline back to normal, leave alone the length of the hair. Well, there's something that we are going to now experiment with the hair growth product is my hairline. When it will help my hairline to go back to this place, as you can see, there's some hair that's supposed to be here. Yeah, there's some hair that's supposed to be here. This is where my hairline should be. Yes, as you can see here, this space here. So when my hairline will go back to normal, then I'll come and recommend this product. Well, right now let me just braid back my natural hair. Then I'll get back to you when I'm done. Yeah. So I am done with unbraiding and braiding back my hair, my natural hair. This is how my hair looks like right now. Yes, as I told you that my hair are scattered, they're not that much, but at least my hair is not short, so I can style it in different ways. So I think when I wash them, I could be able to maybe style it this way, but right now I can't because it's so much scattered. So I think I need to wash it. I wash it a little bit. I can style it this way. I think it won't be that bad. Maybe today I can style it this way. Tomorrow I can style it this way. I'll see how it goes. But I'm going to have this hair for some time. So when you see me with this kind of hairstyle, please uh, don't worry so much. Don't think that I don't have money. Well, part of it I don't have money, but I don't have much money, but I've chosen to have this style at least for sometimes for my hair to breathe, for my head to breathe. As you can see, my hairline has retreated back, and I've tried to bring it back here. As you can see, it has retreated back to this place. It's supposed to be here. Yes, here, easily. So I'll go and I said that I have hair growth. product, and I'm going to do an experiment. So when my hairline goes back to normal, I'll be thankful. Well, this is how my hair now is. As you can see, I have a different cloth. It has taken me long. I started it yesterday uh, till today. So it has taken me like, I started it halfway, I slept, then I woke up, I did my other things, then before I went back to and braiding back the hair now until I was done. So literally it took me 2 days because I started yesterday to now. Well, anyway, thank you for watching and bye. Let's meet on the next video.